I'm going to help you learn how to play the verse of Jingle Bells. The verse is the part that goes dashing through the snow. If you want to learn the chorus, just click on this link above and that'll take you to my tutorial on the chorus, the part that goes Jingle Bells. But in this video, we're going to learn the verse, and it's just the melody, no chords, and it's an easy arrangement just to help you just kind of get started real slow. And also, if you stay tuned at the end of this video, I'm going to do a giveaway. I think you're really going to like it. So let's get started. All right, I'm going to put up a chart right here. And in this chart, it's going to show you all the notes you need to play Jingle Bells. And if you notice, it's on the first three strings, the skinny E, B, and G strings. And all the notes you need are really on the first three frets, except for that high A, which is on the 5th fret of the skinny E string. So let's get going. We're going to take this line by line. So the first part is the dashing through the snow. Let's tackle that. So you can use a pick. I'm going to use my fingers. And if you're using your fingers, I use my thumb for the lower notes and my index and middle fingers for the upper notes. So it goes like this. Dashing through the snow. That's G, open E, D, C, open G. Let's do that again. G, open E, D, C, G. By the way, below in the description, I'll have all the lyrics and notes so that you can take a look at that. It makes it easier. So, dashing through the snow. The next part. In a 1, that's G, 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 E, D, C, A, 2nd fret G string. That's in a 1-horse open sleigh. So let's put that whole line together. G, E, D, C, G, 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 E, G, 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 E, D, C, A. Now the next line, over the hills we go, that's A, 1st fret F, E, D, B. Let's do that again. So that's A, F, E, D, open B. And the laughing all the way, high G, 3rd fret on the E string. Laughing all the way, that's G, G, 1st fret F, 3rd fret D, E. That's a little tricky. Let's do it again. G, 3rd fret G, F, 3rd fret D, open E. So that whole line goes, over the hills we go, laughing all the way. All right, halfway through. Excuse me. The next part is bells on bobtails ring, just like the dashing part. G, E, D, C, G. One more time. G, E, D, C, G. Making spirits bright. G, E, D, C, A. And if I'm going too fast, remember, just pause it, go back and watch this part. Now we're on to the last part. This part's a little tricky. What fun, it's A, F, E, D. Now here we go. G, G, 3rd fret G, G. Here's that high A. Remember, I would use my pinky finger there. Keep your finger curved and get right behind that fret. A, down to G, F, D, C, up to G, that's the O, and that's where it ties back into the jingle bells, jingle all the way. It ties back into the chorus. So let's do that last part. That's the hardest part. Let's do what fun, A, F, E, D, G, G, G. And let me talk about the fingering there. A, F, E, D. I would grab it with your middle finger there so that your ring finger can get the G, 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 and jump with your pinky. A, G, F, D, and then down to C. This arrangement is in the key of C major. That's your tonic note. C, dominant note, that's G. And there it goes. Let's do that one more time. Really slow. A, F, E, D. 2nd finger there. G, G. 3rd finger G, G. Pinky A. G, F, D, C. Up to G. And then back into Jingle Bells. There it is. And again, click on that link that I gave you to go to, and I'll put it in the description too, to go to the chorus tutorial. So there you go. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this. And now to talk about the giveaway. So if you found this interesting, I am giving away a free 30-minute Skype lesson with me. So what you need to do, go below, hit subscribe, hit the bell, and then I have a link below. Enter your email here. You have to be 18 or older to enter. So you click there. That'll pull you up on a page. You enter your email in, and then I'm going to pick from the first 100 subscribers, okay? And I will announce the winner by January 17th, 2020. Thank you. God bless. Thank you for tuning in to 5 Minute Music.